in this video we'll sort alphabetically the words from a string provided. So let me make a my string variable, and I'm going to store a string. Permutation means arrangement and combination means selection of object. Okay, so this is a string, so we can also ask the user for the input. So I am commenting this line because I have provided the string. So I will just write input, and then we'll ask the user enter a string. Okay, so this is a user input. So let's break down the string into list of words. Okay, equals word.lower forward in my underscore str dot split. Okay, so now we'll sort the list. Words dot sort. Okay, so this will sort the list, and now we'll print the sorted words are. Okay, for word in words, we'll print the word. So let's run it. So you can see here the sorted word and arrangement combination like this. Okay, so here we store the string to be sorted in mystr. Then using the split method, the string is converted into a list of words. The split method splits the string as white spaces. The list of words is then sorted using the sort method, and all the words are displayed. Okay,